Any smartphone can now work as a wireless microphone in churches, in event centers, in occasion, anywhere you have Bluetooth wireless speakers. Okay, you can now use your smartphone as a wireless microphone and talk to your audience in an event, in churches, or any particular environment where you have a wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now I'm going to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use your own smartphone as a microphone to any wireless speaker in any environment. You can now use your smartphone, no matter the smartphone, whether Samsung, whether any kind of smartphone, as your wireless microphone. Okay, you can use it to talk to the audience in church. You can use it to talk to audience in a party environment, in a hall, anywhere, depending on the occasion or the event. Your smartphone can now serve as a mic, okay, wireless mic. Now, this is Onyx 6, and I'm going to connect this phone to this Onyx 6, and this phone is going to serve as a mic, and I'm going to share with you guys how you can also use your smartphone as a microphone and connect it to any wireless speaker, okay? Any Bluetooth speaker, wireless Bluetooth speaker. So first, the very first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Okay, let's go to my Play Store. Go to your Play Store and search for wireless mic. Okay, once you click on this wireless mic, there's a whole lot of application that comes up. Okay, this is another application that works perfectly fine. This particular one here is application, but it doesn't work on my Samsung. I don't know why. If I download it and install it, if I try to connect to my Bluetooth, it doesn't really work. Okay, so let's leave this. You can try this in your phone. Okay, but this is the one I'm using, which is this particular one. This is the one I have right in my phone. Live mic Bluetooth microphone, and we're going to test this now. After testing this right here, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to try and check the distance which this can go and still be transmitting your voice to the speaker. Okay? But first of all, download this and let's click on open. It's quite very easy to use. No much thing, allow it to load. Okay. Now when you on it, as usual, since it's free, okay, you will be seeing ads, but if you get premium, the ads will be removed. All right, but we are still using the free one. Now, first of all, we're going to on the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, our Bluetooth speaker is on. Now, what you need to do now is to continue for free. All right, once you continue for free, let's go straight and connect this. Now, this is live mic. Click on live mic. There is a social app made just for you. Sign up in just a few minutes. Now the ad will come up, just 5 seconds, and go off. Now here, click on Bluetooth connect device. Click on connect device and go to Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth and turn on your Bluetooth. Once you turn on your Bluetooth, allow you to scan. This is HK Onyx Studio. Okay, let me click on this. Now my speaker has been connected. Okay. So let's go back again. So what you need to do is once you tap on this, once you tap it and leave it, if you talk, you'll be hearing yourself in the speaker. So let's try it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to remove this mic. Okay, I have my mic connected to this wireless mic connected to this my phone. So I'm going to remove it so that the mic I have here will stop working. The one I have on my chest will stop working. Okay. So I've removed it. So let's tap on here. You can still reduce the volume. You can hear me. So when I talk, so when I talk, I can still raise the volume. Hello, hello. So why this is echoing is because we are still on the same frequency. So once I give this speaker gap, once I give it gap, I think if I give it some distance, I think the frequency will now it will stop echoing. Let me go back a little bit and tap it. Okay, let me stay here. Hello. You guys can see that the voice is clearer. Let me raise the volume a little bit. Hello. So, all right. So, let me plug this back so that you guys can hear my voice well. Okay, fine. I think my voice is back again. Let me stop this. So what we're going to do now is we are going to, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to put this speaker and I'm going to go far away. I think okay, my boy is around. I'm going to go out with him and I'm going to connect the speaker and I'm going to go a little bit distance while I am recording my video so that you guys will know the distance that you can move with this and your phone will still transmit to this speaker. So let's just dive right outside. Let's try this. Let's find out the distance. I've not even tried it. This is my first time of trying it, but let's try it and see the distance that we can go and still my phone still be transmitting to this speaker. So guys, we are going to connect the only speaker now. All right, we're outside. I'm going to go just down there. All right, the only speaker is on. There's the speaker.
Attention single men.
Open the software.
Made just for you.
Let's try and connect Bluetooth, turn it on. Onyx. Okay, good. Now let me reduce the volume. We're just outside. Okay, let me start it. Hello. Now, you know what we're going to do now? If I am moving, if you're still hearing my voice, if I do like this, you will do me like this. Or if you're not hearing my voice, you will do me like this. Okay, good. If my voice is fading out, you will do me like this. If I give you sign, if you're still hearing it. Okay. So let's move it this time. Can you still hear me? Okay. Can you still hear me? Wow. Can you still hear me? Wow. This is a distance. Can you still hear me? Jeez. Yeah, my dear, good evening. Can you still hear me? Wow. Can you still hear me? Shit. This is still going. Can you still hear me? Wow. Can you still hear me from here?
Yes.
Jeez. This is crazy. Okay, let me plug this mic. Let's mic. Can you hear me from here? Wow. This one is endless. This is like 2 ports. I can't keep going because no auditorium can be as big as this one. You're still hearing me from there. Jeez, guys, the distance is endless. I don't know. I can't keep going because I've got more than 2 ports, and it was still transmitting. So I have to stop here. I just want to share with you guys so that you guys will know how far you can go with your phone, and your Bluetooth speaker will still be connecting, as in your phone will still be transmitting to your Bluetooth speaker. So guys, from this video, you will know the distance that you can go and your phone will still be transmitting to the speaker. But everything depends on your phone Bluetooth speaker and the Bluetooth speaker Bluetooth distance anyway, because there's some Bluetooth that goes far more than the others, and some phones their Bluetooth can transmit far much than some other phones. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online. Another relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. It's still transmitting even when I plug this wireless mic, because this wireless mic is talking to my phone and it's still going right inside it. Cheers, guys.